Okay, any questions about the video?
Yeah. How come we get all these extra restrictions on our licenses? Doesn't anybody trust us?
No, that's a good question. It's more a matter of statistics than trust. People in your age group get in more accidents than any other age group. So the people who write the laws respond to that by creating more restrictions. They're just trying to keep you from becoming a statistic.
Hey, I don't get this. It says, in return for the privilege of driving, I promise to do my homework every night and to take out the garbage without being reminded.
Keep my room neat and clean at all times, never argue or fight with my brothers and sisters.
And there's a place here for me and my parents to sign. What's going on?
Okay. You remember in the video where your parents sign for you to get your license? Okay, that means they take responsibility for any damage you do while driving. And that also means that they have the right to take that license away from you at any time just by notifying the DMV.
So keeping on our parents' good side is another one of those provisions?